Horses out, Celestial pass to begin, Kilager, Market Leader on the outside, then followed over by Rosig. In the middle portion comes Striking Cut, Pretty Girl, rushing a party outside, Sun Chaser in 6, Pure Energy, Fighting Jack, Calvin's Magic, loaded in the middle, Detective Daryl, third last, Mary Jane Bomb, and Panibug Ho trails the field. Into the turn they go, Market Leader, Pretty Girl, Lizari outside second, 3 lengths away in third comes Kilager, moving up Nawari outside, Sun Chaser, Danari inside, Striking Cut, Rosig, Pure Energy, Celestial, Calvin's Magic, Fighting Jack, Detective Daryl, loaded, Mary Jane Bomb, and Panibugo is still racing in lengths. And it's still Market Leader by about 6 lengths. Moving up now by Drelis, Kilager, Sun Chaser, Pure Energy now coming closer to take second. Calvin's Magic now in fifth. Rosig, Danor inside, Striking Cut. Market Leader, Pure Energy, Sun Chaser in third, Calvin's Magic in fourth. As they come down to the last 200, Sun Chaser moving up on the outside, Pure Energy, Spadrel, Calvin's Magic on the outside third, but it's still Pure Energy, followed by Sun Chaser and Calvin's Magic. Pure Energy, Sun Chaser, Detective Daryl, Spadrel, but it's still Pure Energy, and finally Pure Energy, Detective Daryl, Sun Chaser, Calvin's Magic is Striking Cut, and for your Super 6, Rosig.